Publishers care about two things. Publishers care very deeply about user experience, as they should. Their primary focus is to try and get audiences to their site and have them have a unified, high-quality experience. So the ad almost becomes a complement of the content itself. And then you've got, as every business should, have a strong revenue model. And what they need for that is tools like the ones LiveRail provides to be able to allow them to have better transparency to who's buying, to be able to make sure that they can have a unified approach to revenue across all channels, direct sales and programmatic. And I think it actually all came together for us with the speed dating event. It was very unique. It's never been done before, and we had a lot of interest. The most amazing thing was everyone came to us and said, well, I can clearly see why buyers are interested. It's amazing to see the publishers there. It was amazing for the publishers to learn how interested buyers are, how they're transacting programmatically today, what they're willing to do in order to get access to the inventory. It was great. So a premium publisher works together with a programmatic partner in order to build a strong revenue model. And that involves three things: access, pricing controls, and inventory allocation. So who is the access? Who do you want to have access to your inventory? What portion of your inventory do you want to make available? All of it, a portion of it, certain sites, certain domains, and how do you want to make it available? At what price? With what level of access to, let's say, first-party data? So when all of these three things come together, a publisher feels really confident that they have the controls they need in order to make this inventory available programmatically. Publishers have a really difficult time because it's a highly fragmented and highly diverse demand-side ecosystem. You've got traditional ad networks, you've got DSPs, you've got trading desks, you've got agencies that have in-house programmatic capabilities. So they have to make sure that the different touch points they have with all of their demand-side customers have an equal chance of playing with the inventory that they have access to. I'll kind of say, the buzzword of the year, programmatic direct, is I think where really the rubber meets the road, because programmatic direct allows a publisher to open up their inventory, whether it's direct sales or it's network, on a single unified platform. It allows them to have the best available pricing across all of these demand partners. It equalizes it, it democratizes the actual process of buying, and it gets the publisher what they need, which is higher revenue, higher CPMs. I would say this year mobile has been a huge trend. I think user consumption moving to non-traditional devices like phones and tablets and connected TVs has really accelerated this year, and we're seeing a lot of the inventory now being made available programmatically. So that's a big part of our business this year, and we're going to see it grow. That kind of takes us to what does the future look like? It's there's what is a TV, right? TV, is it programmatic access to inventory? Is it content that's being consumed? Is it just a 42-inch tablet? I think that answering those questions is kind of what is our next step. Is we're trying to understand the technical stack required for us to be able to take content outside of the the traditional web and the traditional mobile space to a wide variety of devices out there.